welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to show you a Christmas tour of my house. So I hope you guys enjoy.
So this is my entry table, and as you can see down here I have a little nutcracker guy, and I just have this tinsel tree that I had from the dollar store, and I just put a little ornament bulb right on top just so you can look like it has like a top decoration. And then I just keep my little wooden basket of like extra candles. I have my regular decor in the back as well. So if we move to the top of the table, I have this wreath that I also got from the dollar store, and I use it as a candle holder. I just keep my Bath and Body Works vanilla bean candle. I'm a little nutcracker guy. This little faux plant right here, and my little snowman, my little Wi-Fi sign, and a tree dish right there. So that's my front entry table. Here we have our Christmas tree. I have the red and silver and white theme going on, and I just keep my snowman and my Santa Claus in here as well. I don't put them outside because it is too windy outside. And then I just have my two giant stockings back there. And as we move over to the formal dining, you'll see the way that looks. As you can see, I have two black lanterns, one at each end, and then I just put some nutcrackers that I got from the 99-cent store with red ornaments just to give it a pop of color. I also have these glass jars that you can use as gift ideas. You can open it up, put some Epsom salt, and make it into a really nice bath present. But they are sitting on my table. I have this big silver tree with a burgundy ball sitting right on top. That's what I have here. And then this other side just repeats itself. And the table runner, I did pick that up at Ross. So a lot of my decor is very budget friendly. I do not spend a lot since I do have small children. And next right here is where I keep the books and my gallery farmhouse wall. Right there on the side, those are just two bins of indoor snowballs. And then on the side right here, or on top of the table, I have my wooden sled that I picked up at the Target dollar spot. I picked up that little boot right here from the 99-cent store. I have my doTERRA diffuser, a little snowflake bowl. I keep Christmas books right there. I have my little candle pedestals right there, and on that I just keep my faux flocked trees, and I love the way it looks. So behind the formal dining room table, I have this big, I think it's 4 or 5 foot collapsible tree. I just have that there. And then on my buffet table, I keep our photos as well as our now reindeer family, which our elf is chilling there with the Red Ranger because she broke her leg. That's why there's caution paper for you not to touch. And our reindeer is making out with the dough. I also keep these nice fluffy trees. I picked them up from the 99-cent store. This one was $1.99. The big one was $2.99. And then with this nice Elsa looking glitter tree as well. And then for this table runner, it's nice and fluffy. It's pretty much the same material as the trees. And I picked this up from Ross. It was like 12 bucks.
So now we are gonna move on to the living room area, or I should do this first. On my wall up here by the TV, I keep this little sign that says Good Tidings, Hub for Enjoy. On this wall right here, I just have a stocking just to put up there. And then on, excuse the lights, over here I have an ornament in a snowman. Sorry, this video is like, but I am filming it by myself and it's super hard. I was trying to have my daughter help me, but that was a complete fail, so I have to do it myself.
So this is a fireplace area. I wrapped 2 boxes to make it look like faux presents. I stuck a Santa Claus on top of there. Brownie, move! Got my little snowman there just to count down the days to Christmas. I know it's not 20 days to Christmas, but my daughter keeps taking the numbers out and messing them up, so I gave up on switching them. I have this little light, street light, that I keep in the house. I think it's made more to go on the porch, but like I said, it's super windy here, so I just keep everything inside. So I got that, and I picked that up from Walmart last year. I think it was like 25 bucks. The snowman was $10. I did get this Santa Claus from, I want to say, I got it from Michael's. Yes, I did. And I still have the tag on here, actually. It says $40, but it was 50% off, so I got him for 20 bucks. And I really wanted a Santa Claus, so that's the only reason why I got it. So I just string the mantle with some lights and a little bit of garland. I picked up these big cardboard ornaments from Target last year when they were like 90% off. So they were only like a few cents, and it came in a pack of 3, but the third one was blue, so I did not like it. On top of the mantle, I keep a little Santa Claus right there. That I got from the 99-cent store, so that was last year's decoration, along with this tree that I also got from the 99-cent store. Everything up here is from the 99-cent store. I don't even know why this is here. I think my son put it there so the baby won't get it. So that's the mantle and fireplace area. So behind here, behind the couch in the corner, I do keep this Christmas faux plant and a candle from Bath and Body Works, a little nutcracker guy. Just keep them there. Over here, I keep this little tin candle. As you can see, it's kind of on in there. This little Santa Claus that I got from Michael's, he was free with a $40 purchase. Another little tinsel tree with a little golden ornament on there. Little snowman. And then on the lamp, I just tied a little bow just to give it a little Christmas feel. So in the kitchen here, this is my coffee area. I love to have the coffee area super festive. So I put 2 little containers there. That has hot cocoa, that has, as you can see, marshmallows. I have this little stack of coffee cups that are puppies. I do love dogs. I am a dog person. And I picked that up for 10 bucks at Ross. And then the rest of the decorations are from the 99-cent store, except for this plate right here. That was from Target Dollar Spot. Then back there, I keep my little Santa Claus cup, put some straws in there, my little wreath that I made last year, a little sign, and this adorable snowman hat. Love. And that little mat, I got it from the Dollar Tree as well. And I like putting it something under the coffee machine because it makes it more festive. So over here, I just keep a little plant and some little tins, a little sleigh. Nothing too special on this side, but I do that. And I always add like one little ornament. Even it looks a little weird, but I like it with just one ornament. Got that. And the tree was from Target last year. Little tins from Dollar Tree. That was from the 99-cent store. This is my cheese tray that I use, but since it's so big and it's so hard to store, I always just keep it right here and decorate it. So I have my little tinsel tree with a little ornament on top. My little word board back there that says it's the most wonderful time of the year. A little Santa Claus right there. He has his little sleigh right here. A little plant with two little ornaments. And a little sign back there that says Happy Holidays. And the little plant is on a snowflake, but it's upside down just so it can make it rise up. And then last on my countertops, I have right here my little doggy tin. I love that little doggy tin. But I keep this Santa Claus tree. I keep this tinsel tree with a little ornament at the top. This little felt baggie on top of the little doggies. And right next to it with my cleaning supplies, I keep my peppermint, St. Myers dish soap and spray. So back to the living room area. This pillow I made, that pillow I made, that big pillow I made, that big pillow I made, and that pillow I made as well. And to be honest, those were placemats from the Dollar Tree, and I just sewed them with a sewing machine that my friend showed me how to use. Back to back, stuffed them and sat them on my couch, and I love it. They look fantastic. So this is the couch area. And on my coffee table area, excuse the baby, she's asleep back there taking a nap. I just keep my coasters right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I forgot to show you on top of my cabinets. Up there, I keep my little village of the houses with a present. Over there on the other side, I have my little Christmas sign with some 3 little brush trees up there. Have 2 more lanterns and a sign that says home together is a wonderful place to be. Right there, I have a gift box that I just put up there. I have joy to the world and my little Santa Claus right there. On this side, I have joy and delish. So that's everything that I have in my kitchen. Guys, so that's the end of the video. As you saw that, and I said it, everything is from the 99-cent store or from the Dollar Tree. Everything is super, super affordable. It's just the way you decorate it and make your house come to life with the Christmas spirits. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed, please just consider subscribing before you leave and give this video a big fat thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!